Hi there, it's Lindsey here. I'm back again to take you along on our day. So we're getting ready right now to head out and pick muscadines.
Why are you taking my backpack?
Because we need stuff.
Oh, can I get that for you?
Yeah, that'd be great. I'm looking for something to put our muscadines in.
Yep, well, you can put it in my backpack.
Maybe a basket, or I'll get a couple Ziploc bags and throw them in Ollie's backpack. Ooh, this is good. Canning box. Here, you take that, hold it. But as I'm walking around the house, you'll see that it's a mess because I've been gone all week. And so now I'm just turning on lights and stuff. But I've been gone all week, and then yesterday I didn't deal with any of it. I just brought in all my stuff, put it on the table, did the bad thing, and didn't deal with it. I was so tired. Wait. I didn't get the off.
Mommy forgot the off. We gotta have off to go pick muscadines. 'Cause you don't want that pain.
Yeah. Now in the back.
Well, what are we gonna go do? What are we gonna go do?
We're gonna go pick muscadines.
And what are we gonna do with those muscadines?
We're gonna turn them into jelly, and I love muscadines.
Yum jelly. What happened?
My hips. Are you having fun yet?
Yeah.
Whoa! Well, let's spit out to sea. Oh!
It's good.
Y'all hot?
Yeah.
Little mess is getting hot for sure. We brought water, but this is what we got so far. That'll make a good little batch of jelly.
Where is he, Mama?
We found a nice honey hole on our property here.
Look at
And we pulled the vines down way up out of the trees and nested them over this little spot that we can get to them.
Yeah,
Trying to create a little
all
habitat for 'em.
this is a female vine. It's got lots of berries and stuff on there.
We done collected them though.
Oh yeah. You want to go inside and get some ice water, Audie?
How about let's make some muscadine jelly now?
We need to go get that other patch, but we gotta wait for Poppy to get home. It's hot. I'm gonna go check on the babies. Jay says he fed them while I was away, so I'm sure he did. Let's just check on them, shall we? They're acting like they're thirsty too. You look beautiful, Lucy. Just so pretty. They're molting like crazy. That means no eggs. Really need to get in here and clean all this out. They don't have any water. Hey boys. What are you boys doing? Look at all that. Clearly we've been molting. Look at all that. My chickens would be the ones that molt right when we get regular egg customers. 1 egg today. Fun stuff. But this Miss Priss waiting on me. Are you waiting for me? Hey, I think these are about ready to pick. This Loofah Gourd is turning yellow. Ooh, and it's really squishy and soft. So I think this one's ready. This was the first one I had grow. I'm gonna show the kids this. They're gonna think it's so cool.
This is a cool thing.
Get them wet and lather them up.
Everybody look at these. There's a lot of them and one sunflower. Can you get to my face?
Yeah.
Well, Batman, the other guy died.
Don't touch the screen.
And,
You gotta hold it up like that.
okay. And I don't know.
Son, I can't help you. You have to figure out
And
the
this
video games.
is a good.
There's our peeled loofah.
Yep.
Now we need to go spray it out with some water.
See, this is what it'll look like. So it'll look like when it's done.
of people let that Loofah Gourd dry on the vine. So that might be what I do with the other ones. But that was fun. I wanted the kids to see what it looked like.
Well, it's all an experiment. So we're not trying to make mistakes. We're trying to look at the different stages and see what's going on.
And the last one I did,
got enough of them.
I laid it whole, left it whole out there to dry. And it kind of got a little moldy on the inside. I washed it out and stuff, but apparently it wasn't enough. So this one, I decided to go ahead and break it apart and like wash the inside really well.
Try something different.
We're gonna see if that works better. Yep. You know, because I was gonna cut them into like usable pieces anyway. So that might work out better. And if that's the case, then that's how I'll harvest the rest of them. And we've got to do all of our chores. Jay's already started by switching out the laundry.
Burning the trash.
Burning the trash. Somebody's got to clean the cat box. We got to take trash over to my brother's.
Yes.
Because it's full.
Yep.
So we've got...
And it's 12:30. So
and it's 12:30.
Lunchtime.
So it's Sunday. So you guys probably won't get a video today because... I mean, I told y'all already on our live stream Friday night that I should have filmed while I was at my grandmother's, but I was just really enjoying my time with her. Sorry.
We forgive you.
Thanks.
You give us plenty of content anyway.
I try. So I'll try to give you guys some good stuff this week.
Can you start giving a video a day?
Let's give a hand to Lindsey.
I'm trying to help y'all out.
I wish I could, but I just don't have the time.
She makes me watch them too, though. I gotta watch them before she'll even make them public.
Well, I make Jay watch them.
Watch my video.
I make Jay watch them in case I forgot something. Like if there's a naked kid running around in the background or something, you know? We don't want to...
Or she moons the camera.
You never know. If you've never had muscadine, at first you might think it's kind of like a Concord grape, but it has this after flavor that is so good, and I can't really explain it. So that's what I eat the muscadine for, and that's why it's my second favorite jelly. Since it's lunchtime and so hot outside, I decided to make a little iced tea along with our lunch. So this company Sips By sent me this tea box to share with you guys. They're an Austin, Texas based company who put together this monthly subscription box with 4 teas that are suited to your taste. You take a little discovery quiz and then they will send out your box each month. So it's a pretty cool subscription service. I really enjoyed what they sent me, and it's stuff that I probably wouldn't have tried on my own, but I'll definitely be buying one of these in the future because the cranberry blood orange that they sent me really is amazing. It's really good tea, but it's not something that I would usually try myself. So if you'd like to check them out, I will leave their link in the description box, and I'll also have a discount code there for you that they sent me. Washed out. Come on, camera. Dadgummit, my battery's dead. My battery's dying, and I don't have another one.
I just charged it.
We're on our way, I know. We're on our way to drop off trash at my brother's and grab a cold soda or something cold because it is a hot day.
It says 110 right there.
Woo. And I'm still working on cleaning, but at least my kitchen's clean now. But when we get back, we gotta clean up some eggs. And then maybe, yeah, Jay changed the sheets.
The water's been filled up.
Cleaned up the water. See, he did all this without me filming it.
Looking at me. Lindsey, you're looking at me.
What are you doing?
Okay, looking at me. Look. Daddy.
Wah, wah, wah. You better not get close.
Oh,
I'm gonna get you. We found her. Wonder what she's doing.
Found a tomato.
Found a tomato.
Cleaning out the toilet.
Cleaning out the toilet. I think
bees in this water.
I think the chickens thought you were bringing them something.
Well, I was. No tomatoes for you.
No eggs, no tomatoes. Remember that.
what?
Why hadn't y'all cleaned up your area yet? I see dolls and toys. Mommy's sitting here cleaning.
Well, we painted toys.
Well, if you're playing with toys, then I guess it's alright.
That needs to be washed. Don't
New video.
don't need to be washed. Watch me wash my dough.
I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to
Kitchen's
control
clean.
it. Put it all out.
So now Jay and I, Poppy's home. He's gonna watch the kitties
And we're going back.
while me and Jay go back and grab those last muscadines that we found. Poppy,
Bring me a fly swat and some duct tape.
fly swat, duct tape. Hi, Jay.
We watching the dusty. We're watching the Look up there. Look up there.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
The dark crystal. Cool.
And I love you.
I love you too.
And you want to record us.
I'll be back in a minute, okay?
Okay.
That's good.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. We're back. Me and Jay went ahead and got a shower. And now he's starting the taco salad. What you doing, kitty?
Why aren't chickens in loud and chirp? Because they speak foul language.
We are finished with dinner. The kids are eating super slow, so we're still sitting here at the table because they're eating slow tonight. And I'm so ready to go to bed. I think it's like 8:30. Is it 8:30?
Yep.
I don't know. I think it's like 8:30, which is way late to be eating and way late to still be sitting at the table for me. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Hit the like button and the little notification bell. Ooh, look how dirty my screen is.
Wait on the back.
Hey!
Then you bathe with it.
Wash the dishes with it.
Wash your dishes with it. But don't use the same one to do both. Get that kind of weird.
Anyway.
Anyway.
Good stuff.
It's good stuff, man.
We stink.
What?
I have a
Speak for
sunburn.
How's editing going? Oh, it's good. Going good.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, she says it's going good. Editing going okay? Cool. Kids not bugging you? Hey, kids, y'all be a little quiet. Mommy's trying to edit her video. Go back to it.